At dahil sa malaki nilang ambag sa pagpapalago ng kani-kanilang mga negosyo, binigyang pagkilala sa Business Manual CEO Awards ang mga matatagumpay na negosyante at entrepreneurs. Layunin nitong patuloy na maging inspirado ang mga negosyante. Si Mark De La Rosa sa detalye.
Nagsama-sama sa isang gabi ng parangal ang mga inspiring business leaders sa bansa. Isang pagtitipon para kilalanin ang kahalagahan ng kanilang ambag sa pagpapalago sa industriya na kanilang kinabibilangan.
The Business Manual is an online business publication where we feature the success stories of many successful businessmen and entrepreneurs. At dahil dyan, we want to come up with an awards where we can find truly inspirational leaders in the country who people can aspire to be when they become as successful as well.
Talaga namang na-inspire ang lahat ng dumalo dahil kinabibilangan ito ng mga self-made individuals at corporate business groups na malaki ang isinakripisyo para sa kanilang negosyo.
This award, when it's called the CEO Award, is one that truly recognizes the countless of people who made up the Jollibee Group and shaped our journey in spreading the joy of eating to everyone around the world.
Of course, my fellow awardees, it's an honor to be with them. This is a very prestigious and everyone is also dreaming for this award.
A CEO is as good as the people who work with him, and I believe that our organization is really geared towards financial inclusion. At BPI, we are truly on this journey.
At sa bawat journey ng pagnenegosyo, mahalaga para sa bawat business owners na magmarka ang kanilang tatak para sa patuloy na paglago nito.
So yung brand building is about, and loyalty building ay para sa mga bata. Nakita mo, alam mo, yung logo ng Potato Corner, yung brand niya, ang nag-approve ng kindergarten students. So if you burn a brand sa kids, all through life na yan, sa'yo na yan. Partner ka na ng bata.
I think alam kasi ng tao na when we first came up with the product, hindi ang kita ang iniisip muna namin. So it was more coming up with a very high quality product. Kaya doon kami nag-iba sa mga kalaban namin ng mga ice cream and gelato. So up to now, when they think of quality ice cream, they think of Carmen's Best.
At para laging at its best ang isang industriya, mahalaga sa mga established business leaders na maipamahagi ang kanilang kaalaman upang magtagumpay din ang nagsisimulang negosyante sa kanilang larangan.
Importante po sa amin, makita namin yung mga young entrepreneurs, mga rising entrepreneurs. Kasi kailangan natin ng entrepreneurs sa bayan natin to generate employment, to generate income, and to make our country move forward.
Ano nga ba ang mga pangunahing nego tips para mapanatiling matagumpay ang isang business?
And having a good cohesive team is vital in terms of growing the organization or growing the business. So bottom line, it's our people. We need to take care of them. And if they know we take care of them, they'll take care of business.
So you should always make sure that you hire the right people who have integrity and who love your brand and what you're doing for the world.
Isang patunay na sa mundo ng pagnenegosyo, mahalaga ang bawat aspeto nito, mula sa empleyado, serbisyo at produkto para sa sabay-sabay na pag-asenso. Mark De La Rosa para sa mata ng Agila. Matatag, matapang, matapat.
Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay sa Mata ng Agila Primetime. Para malaman ang matatag, matapang at matapat na mga balita, ay i-follow lamang at mag-subscribe sa @Net25 TV.